Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit,
So today we are back with another fight scene from the movie Thuppaki.
and we have Vijay and Bidut Jamal
Yes.
in this scene. This is a climax action scene,
Yes.
and we have gotten a huge request to give our reaction on this particular scene.
Yes.
So here it is for you guys. I really hope that you'll enjoy this scene. And now let's get started. But
Yes.
before that, if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the notification bell.
Alright.
So chalo, let's get started.
నాకు ఆ భయం బాగా నచ్చింది.
नहीं जवान ये क्या कर रहे हो? गोली मारो इसे. Shoot him. He's a tricky guy. मैं कह रहा हूँ मेरी बात मानो. Just shoot him. You can't beat him.
You can't beat him.
I mean,
No, he's gone.
He's gone.
He's gone now.
Sure, sure.
unlock him.
Now.
Now. Okay. He got hurt in his hand.
Oh,
So he's not able to move that hand.
difficult.
Yeah. Very bad.
Oh.
Now, see. He's fixing his hand.
बाप रे.
Oh. Now he's back.
It is tremendous pain to do this thing. Now. अभी ये गया. वाह. स्टाइल से.
Come back.
खत्म.
This is the fight scene. This kind of fight is like looks like a real.
Real only. Yeah. बाप रे. For this fighting also they train, no, themselves.
सही बोल रहा हूँ भाई, एक दूसरे को मार के लोग मर जाएंगे. आप बोलो तो मैं गोली मार देता
नहीं
हूँ.
नहीं 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 बिल्कुल नहीं. मैं क्या करूँ?
Oof, that was brilliant shot.
इसका हाथ हो गया.
Oof.
Okay.
1 minute 35
मारो
seconds.
दोनों को गोली मारो और कोई रास्ता नहीं है. Shoot them both.
Gone. Finish. Good plan, right?
Very nice.
That was seriously a good plan.
Yeah.
నువ్వు తెలివైన వాడివి కావు. నువ్వు నన్ను చంపినప్పటికీ స్లీపర్ సెల్స్ని కంట్రోల్ చేసే టోటల్ డీటెయిల్స్ ఆ షిప్లో ఉన్నాయి.
All the sleeper cells details are there in that ship. Right, man? See,
Yeah. Now.
Three, two,
wow.
one.
Boom. Gone.
Wow.
That was super ending.
Nice, man.
Great plan.
What an expression, Sarji.
కలగా సస్పెన్స్తోనే చావు.
Okay, he also gone. Venice. Okay, he was a cheater in military. So he gave him option, what do you want to do?
Yeah.
Will you kill yourself or shall I
He
kill
will
you?
kill himself. Nice.
Wow.
Great
Superb.
movie, great shot, great scene, great acting,
strategy was
great
superb.
expression, everything greatest. Okay, so wow, strategy was awesome, right?
Yes.
And
We liked
definitely we liked it a lot, and the fighting scenes were like so looking so real. It was not looking like it was like some acting is going on or it was well
Yes.
planned. It was not looking like
Yeah.
that.
Whatever we have
Very
seen,
trained.
whatever the fighting scene was there,
Yeah.
fighting scene was like it's happening in real life.
In
whatever
real life,
we can see
it
in
was
front of
looking
our
like
eyes.
that.
So whatever the
Correct.
martial arts or karate, man, those kind of fight, it was there.
Martial arts नहीं था, a little bit touch
Little
of
bit
karate
of-
was there,
yes.
right? And you know some गोल घूम के मारना, that was like very brilliantly executed. And
Of course.
picturization was like
Picturization
awesome.
was awesome.
Everything, the shot was taken in a perfect time, and each and every shots were like given perfectly.
And whatever the action scenes we have seen, different type of action scenes we have seen.
we have seen. It was amazing.
Yes.
Amazing movie
And
clips
also
we saw
Vidyut
today.
Jamal, he is also a good fighter.
Good fighter.
He
He is
I think
very
he is a
flexible, his body
double
and
black
everything.
belt, I think he is.
Ha.
So
Yes.
that's why his body is too much flexible,
He
and
knows.
any type of action scenes he can perfectly
do.
execute it.
We recently saw Commando 3
Yeah.
movie, and
Commando
that was
2,
like
okay,
Commando 3
okay, yeah,
hall
right.
mein, in the hall, cinema hall. Recently, I
That
think
was
that was outstanding.
Differently, I'm not sure how was the performance of the movie, but I liked it. A lot of
Yes.
action scenes was there. I liked
We
it.
liked the movie. We are not sure that whether the movie is super hit or blockbuster or whatever it is. We liked it.
Actually, we went
Yes.
with that mindset that there will be a lot of action
Fightings.
scenes. Yes,
Martial
that's why we
arts,
liked it.
you know, a lot of things. This
Yes.
kind of thing really I like to see. I don't like that cart, मतलब bloods
Blood
and
and
all,
all, yes.
गला काट दिया. I don't like to see this kind of scenes, but this kind of scene I really enjoy.
Yeah.
This kind of techniques and all.
Yes.
So we really enjoyed it, and what a execution. Right, it was a brilliant movie, and the concept was also very good.
Yes.
The concept
of this movie is superb. That's why I think this movie is also a blockbuster
movie Tupaki.
Yes.
So we really enjoyed this scene, and yes, it was a 10 on 10
Yes.
from our
And
side, because
Vijay sir was also
definitely
looking too much active, fit
active,
in this
yeah.
scene. And,
Vijay sir was
that-
looking very,
and
you know,
that
his
scene,
face.
it was very tough getting that hand fix. Yes.
That was looking also very good, well executed as well. And Vijay sir's expression and everything, he was looking very, you know, angry, and at the same
I
time,
think
like
he was angry from inside,
From
but from
inside,
outside it looked like he is too much calm, cool.
Yes,
that
yes,
kind of
yes.
expression he was showing.
He knows that he is gonna win. So
Yes.
that kind of expression he was giving, and that was superb. Okay,
Yes.
Vijay
And
is acting
whatever
no
the
doubt.
plan it went,
Yeah.
just it went according to whatever the Vijay sir planned.
Plan.
Yes.
So that was very cool.
So there was no chance of failure as well.
Yes. So we really enjoyed it. That was outstanding. Okay, outstanding performance by each and every one.
Yes.
Okay, I really love the last scene also. That I am giving you two options. Just choose whatever you want. That was also very
That
cool.
army person.
Army person.
I
yes,
think
yes.
general or something he was there in this movie.
Yes. So we really enjoyed it, and I really hope that you'll also enjoy this scene with
Yeah.
us. So now this is the time to read the comments for today.
Yes. So the first comment from Arun Kumar R. He's saying that God let the people of Bengal be safe and get back to their normal life.
Yes, that is very needed.
Right.
2 days back, that super cyclone happened
Yes.
in West Bengal and the coastal areas of Bengal, mostly.
Mostly it got destroyed, and also
destroyed.
inside the city of Kolkata also
Kolkata
we have
also.
seen lot of the trees
Yeah.
and lot of infrastructure also got destroyed, and
Damaged.
buses, everything.
Houses, and in my home also, in my home which is there in the
Home
Bengal
area,
home
yes.
area, there also power cut was there for 2 days
Right now also,
continuously.
right now
Water supply was
lot
not
of the
there.
area there is
Very
no power.
bad condition.
Water supply is also not
Yes,
there.
I think 70 people died also because of this.
75 or 76 people, 78 around something.
Like they have
Yes.
counted 70 till now, but it would be a huge number. Okay, slowly that will be revealed. So
Yeah.
very bad condition. We are really praying that everything will be normal.
Yes.
So that's why we didn't post yesterday, because we are mentally very
Yes,
breakdown,
mentally
and
breakdown.
yes, it was very bad condition
And
going
also
on.
we
in,
have seen so many bad pictures.
that is what.
That's
Very
why.
bad thing is happening in this year 2020.
I don't know how we will cross
don't
next
know.
6 months.
It's very difficult actually. So
Yeah.
corona also, every single day it is like increasing like anything. And
Today only I heard in the news only that we
Yeah.
have around 6k increase in the whatever the number was.
6K?
Yes,
my
in single day.
goodness. So see, this kind of situation is happening. So that's
know
why we
what
were
will
very down yesterday. That is why we didn't post a single
Any
video.
video,
But now we are a little bit okay. That yeah, we have to continue doing this. That's why we came. And thank you so much for your support and
Yes.
for your love. We have posted one post in the community tag, writing that Bengal
Right.
condition and everything, because we thought that most of you have not known about this fact that
Actually,
this kind of
they knew
situation is happening.
like that cyclone came, but
Yeah.
they didn't knew about the situation,
Situation is
what after
going on, yeah.
cyclone what the people are facing.
Yes, correct. Now the situation is improving slowly,
But I
slowly.
think
But
it will take a
yeah,
lot time
It will
because
take lot
lot
time.
of infrastructure
Yeah.
have wasted and
Yes.
broken. Yes. So I
Uh-huh.
think it will take some time, around 5-6 months.
Let's see. Hope for the best. And thank you so much for your wish, Arun Kumar, and for watching our
Yes.
videos. Thank you so much.
So the second comment for today is from Robbie Thomas Reggie. He is commenting on megastar Mammootty birthday special mashup 2019. So he's saying that Mammootty really mad about car. He has lots of big collection too. Yes.
Wow.
Right.
And in that, mashup, or in the some movie clip, we saw that he is coming out from the Rolls Royce.
Right. In this mashup
In
only,
this
I
mashup
guess.
only, na?
No,
So-
no, not in mashup. We have done a
Shylock,
Shylock,
I
right?
think, na?
In Shylock only, yes.
That was like awesome,
Awesome.
superb. Okay, he is having a lot of big collection.
Yes,
Wow,
and that's
that
great.
is great
Like
thing,
Dho-
yeah.
like
Dhoni.
Dhoni is having a big collection
Big
of
collection
bikes.
of bikes. Yes. So yes, that is very cool, and yeah, they are rich actually, so that is nothing
Yes,
for them.
right. They can afford.
They can afford my dream is to have one Mercedes in my life. Okay, I don't know whether it will happen or not, but this is my dream. Everyone has dreams, so
Right.
this is my dream. So yes, that is very cool. And Mammootty sir is a handsome hunk in this age also.
Right.
He is the superstar.
At
Okay,
the age of 68.
68.
Also, he is too much
My
handsome.
goodness, he is so much handsome. And when he was coming down from the car, that scene, like it is like flashing in my eyes, in front of my eyes now also. It was super cool. And thank you so much, Robbie Thomas Reggie, for commenting and for watching our videos. So the third comment for today's video is from Mithun Santosh, and he's commenting on Mohanlal birthday special mashup 2020, and he's commenting react to Linto Korean mashup.
Yes.
Now we have gotten a lot of requests to do the Linto Korean, particularly this mashup reaction, right?
Actually, we
So-
found that RCM first, so
Yes.
we gave our reaction on that
on
mashup.
that mashup. But yes, we have gotten a lot of requests from your
Yes.
side. Definitely we will do that, because yes, Linto Korean mashup, it is looking like very should be very good,
Right.
like better than RCM.
RCM,
That
okay.
was ultimate, but I think that this should be
I
better
think
than that one.
most of the people
Most of
have
the people
liked
have
that
liked.
Linto Korean
Yes,
mashup.
yes,
So
yes.
I think it's okay. Fine,
We
we'll
will
give
do
our
that
reaction on
very
that
soon.
as well.
Yes, very soon we will do that. Actually, we found RCM first, that's why we did. But definitely we will do. And thank you so much, Mithun Santosh, for watching and for commenting. So these all are the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone whoever have commented, who are our subscribers who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Thank you so much for that. And if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.
Bye.